How to use Ppoi grammar N3. This is in the Nihongo so Matome textbook, first week. So the grammatical construct of Ppoi. The Ppoi can be constructed as noun plus Ppoi, noun plus Ppoi. The Ppoi construct takes only a noun, so verbs, adjectives, etc. cannot be used. Ppoi can also be considered the casual form of Sugiru. However, there are a few key differences. Ppoi has a negative nuance, exactly like Sugiru. This is one of the similarities. The main difference is that Ppoi can only be used with a noun. Just as Sugiru can be used only with a verb, Ppoi can be used only with a noun. So let's get into some examples. Ano otoko wa kodomo ppoi. So this is a I. Kodomo ppoi. That man, that guy is childlike, childish. This has a negative nuance. So it isn't. This is putting that otoko's kodomoness in a very bad light. Similarly, Tomodachi wa okasan poi. My friend is like a mother, and this isn't in a positive light. It suggests that your friend bosses over you like a mother. Your friend doesn't give you freedom. Your friend is like a very possessive mother. So well, that's it for Ppoi. Ppoi is a very easy grammatical structure. As a practice exercise, try commenting on what you hate about life. That's a very vast topic. I'm sure you could get some really good examples. That's it from me. Bye bye and matane.